Hey everyone! Welcome to Shapes All Around Us. I'm Nini, and this is my friend Cookie Mon. Shapes are everywhere around us. In our homes, our toys, and even our snacks. Today, Cookie Mon and I will explore some fun shapes. Let's start with a super easy one, the circle. Look at this cookie. It's a perfect circle, round with no corners. Circles are one of the most common shapes we see. This clock is a circle too. Clocks are round so we can easily see the time. And wheels are circles as well. That's what makes cars and bicycles move. Circles are everywhere. Next, let's learn about ovals. Ovals are like stretched out circles. This mirror here is a perfect oval. Look at this egg. Eggs are oval shaped too. They're smooth and curved, just like the mirror. And this cookie jar is oval shaped.
Yummy!
Ovals are really fun to find once you start looking. Now, let's check out triangles. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. The roof of this toy house is shaped like a triangle. Yum! This sandwich is also a triangle. Food like samosas and pizza slices are triangles too. Flags are often triangle-shaped. Triangles are really cool and pointy. This is a square. A square has 4 sides that are all the same length. These blocks are perfect squares. Windows are often square-shaped too. They make rooms bright and sunny. This chessboard is full of little squares. Squares make things look neat and organized. Let's learn about rectangles. A rectangle is like a square, but longer on 2 sides. This book is a rectangle. This chocolate box is also a rectangle. Rectangles are great for holding things like snacks or toys. This table is a rectangle too. Rectangles are everywhere in our homes. A pentagon has 5 sides. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This toy is shaped like a pentagon. Wow, look at this kite! Kites can come in all kinds of shapes, and this one is a perfect pentagon. Isn't it pretty?
Yes!
And here's something cool. A soccer ball. It's covered in pentagon shapes that fit together. Pentagons are really fun and unique. Wow, we found so many shapes today. Circle, oval, triangle, square, rectangle, and pentagon. Shapes are everywhere. Now it's your turn. Look around you and see how many shapes you can find. Let us know what you discover.